today I'm going to be doing a holiday makeup tutorial, Christmas holiday makeup tutorial. This one's going to be kind of like a snow-inspired, ice-inspired one because I didn't want to just do red and I just really like blue, so yeah. So that's what I'm doing today, but before I get started I wanted to prep my skin by using Curology, which is the sponsor for this video. I want to talk about them for a little bit because I just really love this brand and I appreciate them a lot. I first started by using their cleanser, which looks like this. So I use that in the morning and at night, but especially before I do my makeup because I like to have like a clean face. So I just washed my face and I'm going to use the Rich moisturizer right after. And this you can also use in day and night. So I just use this all over my face before I do makeup. When you sign up for Curology, you can choose what's in your monthly package. You can choose whether you have the cleanser in it, the moisturizer in it, and there's also obviously going to be the cream that is suitable to your skin. So basically how it works is you go to Curology with your skincare needs and what you think you want for your skin, like if you want to reduce the clogging of your pores, if you want more firmness, if you want less wrinkles, and from there you send pictures of your skin. They kind of give you an overview of what's going to be in your monthly bottle, and this is what the bottle looks like. So this is my cream. I use this every night. My skin broke out about a year ago and I tried so many different things. I spent so much money on skincare and like high-end skincare because I just thought that that would work better than like drugstore skincare, and I just spent a lot of money on skincare and nothing really worked. It just kind of didn't really change. Obviously there were some changes, but it didn't clear my skin up at all. And then I signed up for Curology, and on my own time, like before I was sponsored by them, I was like, word, this works. Like, it was the only thing that worked for my skin. It's customizable to you, and you know, no matter what state your skin is at, it's gonna be like for you specifically. So I'm gonna put some pictures of my skin before and after I started using it. The first month is free. You just have to pay for shipping and handling, and then you're good to go. You can use the link in my description to sign up right now, and yeah, I really would recommend it. It worked really well for me and I will continue to use them because I just trust them, so yeah. So now that my skin is prepped, I'm gonna go ahead and do one eye off camera and come back after I figure out what the heck I'm doing, and then I'll be back. So I went ahead and did this eye. It's really simple right now, but I'm gonna add more to it, so don't worry. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes with some concealer, and I'm gonna use the ColourPop Fade into Hue palette, and I'm gonna use Take It Ease right here. And first I'm gonna just make a cut crease by tapping this in. And I'm gonna connect it at the bottom, like right here. So kind of just like I'm making eyeliner. And I'm just gonna get some Q-tips and like start to cut the crease. And I'm gonna get the concealer again and use this flat brush and cut the crease. And then I'm gonna set that with a white eyeshadow from Carnival XL Pro Palette. Pillow Talk, which is right here. And now I'm gonna use some glitter primer. This is from e.l.f. And I'm gonna put that right here alongside where I put that blue shadow. And then I'm gonna take Kaleidoscope from that same ColourPop palette and put that right on top of that. And now I'm gonna take the Suva Beauty Hydra Liner in Space Panda, and I'm gonna wet that, and I'm gonna go alongside the crease with this brush from Amazon. And that's it for the eyeshadow for now. I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes, and I'm going to get a white eyeliner and coat my lashes with that because I want to do white lashes and I don't have white mascara, so yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna get this NYX white liner and I'm just gonna go ham on my lashes. Ooh, I look kind of cool. cool right now. Yeah, Ice Queen. Y'all better watch out, I'm gonna go ice something. And then for lashes, I'm gonna use these Isabella de something lashes. Ah! Oh, look at my tattoo. I got a new tattoo. And then I got this one. And then I got this one. When she turns 18. Yeah, that's basically what happened. That's literally what happened. Not basically, that just happened. Why am I tripping? Lashes are on. Yeah, now I'm gonna do face makeup really quickly. Like, when I say really quickly, I mean really quickly. Fast, 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 fast! Ooh, that's pretty. This is so simple, but like, it kind of bangs. Also, did y'all notice my hair? Because the bottom is black now. Okay, now I'm gonna bronze a little bit because if I'm an ice queen, does it matter if I bronze? Okay, blush. I want to put a lot of blush so it looks like I'm cold. Because when I'm cold, my face gets red. Ooh, that's cute! Ah! Next, I'm gonna do lip liner. I'm gonna put the white on the lower lashes. I'm gonna try to anyway. I just used the e.l.f. glitter adhesive and then the Glisten loose glitter from my ABH in my inner corner to make it like all icy. And I'm gonna put highlight on my nose and my cheeks and everything. I changed and now I'm gonna put on some sparkles. Like I'm wearing like a dress that's like off the shoulder. I look like Mrs. Claus or something. Wait, I'm gonna add some little white dots because just for funsies. I'm gonna put on the same white liner. And I'm just gonna put little white dots everywhere, like little snowflakes. Ooh, should I do like white freckles? Yeah. This smells like caramel. Bro, I look like a cute little fairy or something. Ooh. So sorry that video was rushed. I was trying to get the sunlight, but then I realized I don't even really need the sunlight. And I'm chilling right now. So I think I decided to make hot chocolate and make ramen, which is a really gross combination, but y'all are gonna come along for the ride. So yeah, I'm just trying to compensate for what I lacked in this tutorial because I feel like I didn't really talk much because I was so stressed about... Sorry, I'm feeling myself. Because I was stressed about the sunlight. Like I was really stressed about it because it's like 5:13 right now and the sun's like gone and I thought I needed the sunlight, but fuck it. So yeah, let me take some pics first and then we can go. Hold on. Ah! Where's the hot chocolate? Ah! Oh, it looks so pretty. This the fit. It's the hot chocolate. I'm gonna do something cool. Was that cool? Got the milk. The lighting is so good in the fridge. So good. Let's see how this is holding up. It did absolutely nothing. Oh, I feel so pretty right now. Thanks to Christmas. I think the white lashes are just doing it for me. Like, they're just doing it for me. I don't know what to tell you. Watch this. Yep, watch this. Cheers. That's yummy. I think I'll have my phone in there. God dang it. God damn it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah. Thanks for making hot chocolate with me and doing makeup with me. See you guys next time. Also, thank you again to Curology for sponsoring this video. I feel like a fairy. I love it. Like I'm living for this right now. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys for watching.